Welcome back to the channel. It's the Las Vegas Ranger, and I wanted to give you a tip when you buy a used bike. You go to check out the bike before you buy it and everything's nice and shiny till you get home. Take off the plastics, take off the seat, and it's all dirty. Right? You get a lot of dirt, a lot of dust gets left in here, and that's one place we don't typically clean is underneath the seat. So I'm going to give you a tip on what not to do. So don't flush that with water. Don't use your power washer on here. This is all electronics. You don't want to mess any of this up. So what you do want to do is get yourself some compressed air. Get in there, get all that loose dust out of there. Next, you want to get yourself a brush with some soft bristles like that one. Nothing too hard where you're going to be snagging wires and clips and all that. But you just want to give it a good brush. And then you want to get yourself some contact cleaner. And you want to spray it all down. Get that all nice and clean. And then lastly, if you want to go the extra mile, get yourself a rag and get to wiping. All right. So that's just a tip when you buy yourself a used bike and you want to clean underneath the seat, especially where all the electronics are at. All right. I'm the Vegas Ranger, and we'll see you on the next one.